Hey, what's going on, pilots? Thank you for joining me on another snap build video. For this video, it's going to be a snap build with Ghost Jegan F. I just want to clear up some things before I actually get into the snap build. There are a couple parts that are for the kit that I am not using during this build. I'm using other parts that came with this kit in order to give the Ghost Jegan F more of a slick look instead of a heavily armored look. But don't worry, I'm not putting those parts to waste. I'm probably going to wind up either using them on the Ghost Jegan M. Yes, Ghost Jegan M. And some of the visors I'm going to wind up using on some of the other Special Forces kits in the stealth team through, kind of sawing off some of it and kind of touching it up and then just applying it over their visors. So just so you know, before the video kicks off, that's what I plan on doing. But without further ado, let's sortie out. Okay, pilots. So that's it for this snap build video. I hope you guys enjoyed this cut. I'm trying something new with this. But without further ado, make sure you guys grab your hobby gear. And as always, sortie out and hobby on. Hey, what's going on, pilots? If you like the kit in this video, then I highly recommend stopping and seeing our friends at the Gundam Shoppers Network. On that website, you can find multiple Gunpla kits in various grades. You can also find things like Gundam option sets and decals for your custom builds. You can even find hobby tools and other hobby items that will help you build your Gundam kits as fast and as clean as possible. Gundam Shoppers Network also has a very extensive community section. In this community section, you can find things like Gunpla building resources, Gunpla model kit reviews, and recommended US and international retailers. Now, this is one of the most important sections I think that they have to offer, because if they don't have the kit available in their stores, they will still make sure that you have all the resources available to you to make sure that that kit gets into your hands, even if it's from another vendor. The Gundam Shoppers Network also has a new section that features things coming to the site in the future, various discount coupon codes, and they also have some interviews that they conduct with content creators such as Plamo Therapist. So if any of those kits, tips and tricks, and resources interest you, then I'd highly recommend checking them out. And as always, pilots, sortie out and hobby on, and I'll see you in the next video.